Perry, Georgia is growing like wildfire with new construction homes all around the outskirts. And one fine example of these luxury all-brick homes in the Perry area is Homes by Jeff. The latest project that they're working on is Saddle Creek Subdivision on Saddle Creek Road next to Arena Road, just on the outskirts of Highway 341. Now, one good thing about these houses is they are all brick. They've got the engineered flooring, the granite countertops, and these things are full of luxury. Now, these are only about 10 minutes away from downtown Perry, so everything that Perry has to offer, and since it's on the north side, you're very close to Kathleen, Bonaire, and Warner Robins. So you've got the best of all worlds right here centrally located. So let's take a look at 108 Saddle Creek and see if this is something that you want to fall in love with. All right, so stepping in the front door, you've got the dining room right here to the right with a beautiful chandelier and the coffered ceiling and the stairs that go up to the second level. And then, of course, the guests don't have to go too far to powder the nose. Now, on this one, the master suite is on the main floor with extra linen closets, coat rack, and look at the size of this bedroom. Yep, there's the bathroom. So let's take a look at this ceramic tile flooring, granite countertop, sink, double sinks, and then in the back we've got the privacy area, extra towel, linen closet right in the master suite. And this is a new feature that I haven't seen on any other models, is the huge walk-in closet is actually facing the front of the house, so it's got its own window. Now, of course, if you like your privacy, it's not difficult to close this off. And there you're done. And then, of course, the guys like their showers. So you got the ceramic tile shower with glass face and a bench and a soaking tub separate. Personally, I like these better than the inserts because they're more real, more nostalgic, kind of like a clawfoot tub without the claws. And they're easy to change out if anything ever happens. Now, this is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath house, all brick. And if you'll notice, this is actually not LVP. They've actually gone with an engineered hardwood floor, which is about 3/4 inch engineered wood, very durable. And if you get the house before they put in the flooring, you can actually request LVP if that's your preference. Now, in the main public area, you'll love this living room where the public area is for entertaining in the double doors. But the part that I like is the secondary living room, complete with the fireplace, dining area, and the whole kitchen all in one room. Now, a lot of people like the open concept. This still qualifies as an open concept, but you've got your private living area and then your public entertaining area next to it, separated. And Homes by Jeff has decided to use a gas stove for their models, which I love personally. My wife is a big cook fanatic, and gas is always the best way to go. And then around the island, you've got the oven and microwave combination. And then right off the kitchen, you've got the washstand and a full laundry closet, which doubles as the mudroom for the 2-car garage. And then one question you guys always have is, how big is the pantry? Well, here you go. This pantry is big enough for everything you could possibly think of. And easy access. So you can cook to your heart's content enjoy a fire with the family. And if you want it to be separated from the rest of the house, the entertaining living room is still separated. Now let's run upstairs and see where the kids are going to sleep. Now I love this wrought iron railing on this staircase. And on the second floor, you'll see they've got the engineered hardwood up here as well. But don't worry, you're not going to be stepping on cold floors when you get out of bed, because all the bedrooms are carpeted. Now this is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath house, all brick. All right, around the corner here, you've got the bonus room. Now this does not have a closet in it, so it can't be considered a bedroom, but a stand-up armoire would fix that real quick. And then the next bedroom with huge closets. And yes, they are lighted. And this is one feature that I love about these houses is the ceramic tile floorings. But this is actually a Jack and Jill bathroom. This bedroom has its own sink. And then the public area, which is the toilet and the tub. And then the next bedroom has its own sink as well, all with granite countertops. And then back around to the wrought iron railing balcony so the kids can spy on the parents. And this house does have plenty of storage, so you've got linen closets upstairs and downstairs. And one of the things I love about these homes by Jeff is the separation of public areas to private areas. So if you want to entertain people, you can have a living room up by the door and have all your entertainment there while having your private moments here in the romantic fireplace. And with this real wood engineered flooring, you can cover a lot of distance in sock feet. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of the model home at Saddle Creek Subdivision. Now they make 4 different models, so if you want to look at the whole array, reach out to me and we can go over them and find out the house that you really want to make your home. And don't forget to click on the link below for our buyer's guide, which goes through the pre-approval, shopping for a lender, and a little bit about finding the perfect home for you. So if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm always here, and I'll talk to you on the next one.